It's not the first time a Xiaomi phone is competing with another Xiaomi phone. Especially in the past couple of years, there have been way too many phones launched under 15,000 rupees, and naturally, some of them ended up competing against one another. We have a similar case now. Both the Redmi Note 7 and the Redmi Y3 have been launched in a span of just 2 months for the exact same price, 10,000 rupees. And on paper, the only thing the Redmi Y3 is better at is the selfie camera performance. In this video, let's see how good the selfies actually are. Like, are they so much better than the Redmi Note 7 selfies? Let's find out. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ashwin Sundar. This is Technology Jock. A tiny favor. I've been working pretty hard to bring you the latest tech content, so I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, if you're wondering what I've got on the Note 7 Pro, it's an amazing skin from Capes India, our sponsor for this video. Capes India has a wide variety of cool skins that provide better grip and prevent scratches without adding a lot of bulk to the phone. They're available for all the latest phones including the Galaxy A50 and M30. So do check them out. You can use the coupon code TJOCK to get 10% discount on your purchases. So coming back, let's have a look at selfies shot in broad daylight. The Redmi Note 7 tends to slightly overexpose everything, while the Redmi Y3 sets the right exposure more often than not. That's the reason my t-shirt on the Y3's image looks better with more details and accurate colors. And here, in both selfies, some parts of my face are blown out, but the Y3's image is relatively better. The skin tones are really good. Here, look at the wall behind me. It's almost entirely blown out on the Note 7's image. So yeah, the main reason is overexposure on the Note 7. As in, the Note 7's selfies are brighter than they should be. So the overall look takes a hit. The colors look slightly washed out. But guys, one interesting fact, the Redmi Y3 clicks selfies at 8 megapixels by default. So in that resolution, the selfies are not as sharp as the Note 7 selfies. I mean, you can't really figure it out unless you zoom in a lot. Look at my mustache, my beard, the strands of hair look super clear on the Note 7 selfie. But guys, like I said, this is the 8 megapixel mode on the Y3. You need to tap here and then enable the 32 megapixel mode on the Y3, in which case the Y3 selfies are obviously sharper. But guys, let's just say we are just comparing the default modes. It still doesn't take away the fact that the Y3 is better for selfies, because it's not just sharpness that matters, right? Moreover, even if we compare 8 versus 13 megapixels, the difference isn't very huge. You saw the difference. But look at this difference. Selfies shot under low light. The Y3 easily wins this. Do note that these low light selfies were shot with the 32 megapixel mode off, meaning the Redmi Y3 selfies are all 8 megapixels. The reason it's so good under low light is because in the default 8 megapixel mode, every 4 pixels combine to form one big 1.6 micron sized pixel. So each individual pixel can now capture more light. And 8 megapixels is frankly enough for most usage scenarios. Here's a comparison between an 8 megapixel selfie and a 32 megapixel selfie from the Redmi Y3. Remember, 32 megapixel selfies take up 3 times more space. Do you think the difference in quality is worth it? Worth that extra file size? There's a poll at the top right corner, let me know. So yeah, the Redmi Y3 selfie camera is better. I mean, that's something I told you guys at the start of the video itself. The real question is it that much better than the Note 7 selfie camera? Let's take a look at what the Note 7 offers. A much faster processor. Hell, even the 1-year-old Note 5 Pro is faster than the Redmi Y3. There is also a genuine glass back here, quick charge 4.0 support, Type-C port, and guys, you need to see the camera app. There is no night mode for the rear camera on the Redmi Y3 and no AI mode for the selfie camera either, both of which are available on the Redmi Note 7. Given these differences, I think it should be illegal to buy the Y3 over the Redmi Note 7. Because come on, when the lighting is good, there is no big difference in the image quality, and even under low light, you can use the Note 7 with the Google camera app, which makes things a lot better. So guys, and girls, even if selfies are so important to you, please don't choose the Y3 over the Note 7. Now this pricing has kind of backfired, so there is a small chance Xiaomi realizes the mistake and reduces the price to around 9,000 or maybe even 8,500. At that price it might be a good option, might be, but at 10k it's Redmi Note 7 all the way. Now time to subscribe to Technology Jock if you still haven't, and hit the bell icon as well. And guys, I hope you agree with me on this conclusion. Do let me know if you have any good reason to buy the Redmi Y3 over the Note 7. Let me hear you out. So that's it. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. My name is Ashwin Sundar and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.